something
Okay, Neo.
flying out of the corner of my eye to the point where I definitely just gave myself rug burn. My hand is actually very red. I don't know if you can see that, but this is what you did to me. Okay, that's much harder to open than I thought. Okay, cool, I got it. I told you it was much harder to open than I thought. How dare you? A NIUAUSTIN color sensor. What's the point of a color sensor? This table is brown. I've learned that this table is brown. Excellent. Hold on, wait, here, let's see, what color is my shirt? Dark yellow. Let's see, what color is Mewtwo?
Did you know what colors are?
It's not gonna work. It's gonna be
You can't ask the audience what color they are.
Black. The camera's black. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Got it. What's up? The Aqua Shift Xbox Series X controller is, are you about to tell me that this is gonna show up as Aqua?
But what's cool about these guys is that the grips are all unique. There's no two that are alike.
Ooh, yo, that looks awesome.
Oh, I like that.
Wow. And yeah, you can see with the grips, you see how they're very like, almost looks like it's been like hydro dipped or something.
Wait, no.
My jeans.
Oh.
Mystery Tech. That was actually really gentle and kind. We have Mountain. Oh, okay, so Mountain is actually something we featured on the channel before. They had that crazy modular keyboard that you could attach a number row, you could add like a little dial, all kinds of stuff. I guess they have more things.
They say here in their press pack, $139 for the keyboard itself.
Okay.
Keyboard and keycaps together is $160. And I believe that the number pad that's to the left of it, which is really cool because it hooks up magnetically and has connectors, is an extra $40.
That's a value proposition right there. Especially if this keyboard does sound as nice as I assume it would. Ooh, all right. Let me take a look at this. Oh, wow.
Oh, I like that. Oh, put it down, put it down, put it down, put it down. Wait, I'm curious, wait.
I
I wanna try it!
Next, I'm first.
Oh. Okay, these pre-builts never sound that great. That is probably the best sounding spacebar I've heard from a pre-built.
Oh yeah, this is on another level. You also have a number of switches here, which I'm gotta say I'm more partial to the white and the green. I think
am too, yeah.
This is a little bit more of a Denki style if I were to pitch something.
No. Denki colors are the ones that you want, but I'll let you have your pick.
No, it's okay. Honestly, I feel like there's a Denki video in this. I'm actually gonna seal this up and let you have a crack at it.
Ooh.
So I've typed on this for a few minutes and there are a few big takeaways. For me personally, I'm a big fan of this layout. Now of course, because it's a 60% keyboard, you are missing some things, right? So you don't have a function row and the entire thing has been shrunk down a little bit. So one of the specific things they've done is they've shrunk your right shift to incorporate the ability of having full arrow keys. For me, totally fine. I'm a left shift boy and having the arrow keys is something that I just can't not have. Like I just need that for any keyboard I use. As a fan of linear switches, these feel great. And honestly, head and shoulders above pretty much any pre-built keyboard that I've tried because most keyboards do not have loop switches. Most do not have great stabilizers, and basically very few have any kind of real sound dampening on the inside. If Mountain's out here doing this, and like Razer isn't, I'm just saying.
What's that laptop you're using right there?
Oh, is that a Razer Blade 15 that we just did a This Is on?
He did it.
Wow. Wow.
He promoted This Is.
And you can only see him slightly having an aneurysm right now. This is my Joker origin story, is right this moment right now.
Hisense A7 high-res audio. Is this a phone?
This was an item I found.
A Jared exclusive item. All right, I'm more excited now. So let's see what we got. Is that a god E Ink phone? Say psych. Look how big this device is. This is an iPhone 13 Pro for context.
This was $750 imported from eBay.
A lot of money. Okay. I know that E Ink tablets have existed. An E Ink phone though is wild to me. Can someone please explain to me why you want an E Ink phone?
12 days of battery life.
12 days?
I don't know, I made that up.
Wait, no, I want to use the camera. How good is the camera?
Camera's pretty impressive.
Wow, it's got a built-in black and white mode, because it's all black and white.
So I think the pictures are actually in color. You just
Yes.
can't tell tell they're off the phone.
Jared, I was joking. I know it's in color. Okay, so let's take a photo. So the problem with this, do you know how many shades of gray you have,
50.
Jared?
You sprinted head on into that one.
No way. Are you using this as your main device? This might be a cool like secondary device, but I'm gonna guess this is running at about 10 frames per second. While it's fine for some people, would still be better if you bought an e-ink tablet, because then you could actually draw on it and you have a little bit more to do. And plus, you want the biggest screen possible just because you want to be able to see, to read, and everything like that. Oh boy, did I come into with, I went too far tonight. Hello, my friends, and welcome to the sponsor of today's episode of Mystery Tech, the new scooter. NIU. The new scooter.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Oh, it comes assembled.
Jared, how fast can I go on the scooter?
17.5 miles an hour.
You think I could run 17.5 miles an hour?
Definitely not. No.
No, you cannot.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 miles an hour there. So if you want to get the maximum range, you can put it in e-save mode, which gets you up to about 10 miles an hour. But there's also a bunch of cool stuff that you can actually do with the app. Not only can you see your range and percentage, but you also can change things like the actual regenerative braking, which just like an electric car means that you actually don't have to use the friction brake all that often. Now, the other thing that's nice about this, it has some serious range. It's about 40 kilometers in the e-saver mode at like 10 miles an hour, which I mean, I could get to work with the scooter. So if you're ready to make life electric, definitely be sure to go check out the new scooter at the link in the description. You can actually get yourself $30 off right now. And of course, huge shout out to NIU for sponsoring this episode of Mystery Tech. Well, okay, at least you didn't knock over my coffee. Oh my God, that's not what I expected.
That's so creepy. Whoa.
The first ever mobile phone is now a real mobile phone.
Oh, cute.
Wait, the eyes move.
Whoa.
Oh my God, wait.
USB-C.
Yeah.
We're living in the future.
We actually bought this pre-order at launch, but it sold out immediately.
Wait, is it actually rotary?
It's actually rotary.
Oh my God, it's dialing. I dialed that number.
Hello?
Oh my God. Matt, I'm talking to you on the telephone.
It sounds like
So dial.
Ken, don't touch my phone. Sylvania optical mouse and VoIP USB phone. What the actual am I looking at? So the idea is this is a mouse, but then you open it up and then you can do a VoIP call or voice over IP. Wait, where did you get this?
Is a PO box.
Someone sent this for Mystery
Someone
Tech?
sent this. Yeah.
Oh my God. Dear Austin, Ken, Matt, and everyone else. I've been watching your channel for about a month now and I wanted to send something for you to either have fun with or more than likely mock and make jokes at. This is an item that I purchased at Goodwill for $5.99 that I intended to play around with. Thanks for all your hard work in making entertaining video. I look forward to your future content. Your fan, Eric. Eric, thank you very much. See, I have to deal with Mystery Tech from these guys and they just try to make fun of me all the time. This is legitimately awesome.
My favorite part about that letter is he says he's been watching us for a month. He's got us figured out to a T. After 1 month, he's got it down.
Right now, you really look like the kid from Polar Express, like the know-it-all kid.
What? Know-it-all kid.
I think you need your ticket.
Okay.
It's so
So we got a USB-A end on one side, and then the mouse, which I will say is very heavy for a mouse, which makes sense because, surprise, surprise, Bluetooth, not Bluetooth, USB Skype phone.
What the hell?
Well, that came out of the mouse, so that's probably a good sign. Oh, also, let me, hang on, let me just plug in my headset to my mouse. There we go. Oh, mouse is mousing. Oh my God, it sets up as a USB audio device. So unfortunately, I don't think the screen is gonna work without the Windows XP drivers. This, my friends, is an audio test of the USB VoIP mouse.
That speaker has to be blown.
The fact that this thing is probably 20 years old, I just plugged it in and it immediately works. There's something behind that. Can we please have the next item? Oh! Jared, that was like a solid 15 feet away. We have a very small item. This is, the the Sony Link Buds. These are actually some headphones I've been wanting to try for a while. So my everyday carry headphones are the Sony 1000X Mark IVs, featured on our previous episode of Mystery Tech, and I honestly love these headphones a lot. While comfort is not their strong suit, the sound is great. The fact that they easily pair between lots of devices, whether it's Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, whatever, is terrific. Now, the idea with the Link Buds is that these are along that same kind of line, except for the fact that they're really heavily focusing on comfort, as well as giving you that oral experience that you're really looking for.
Aural, dude.
The oral bliss.
Aural.
With these headphones, you can hear your surroundings because they have a little hole in them for your ears.
So we looked at Xperia Buds or something like that a couple of years ago on Mystery Tech. They were kind of a similar idea, but those didn't sound particularly good, but I hear that these might be a little better.
You hear that they sound a little better?
Ah!
Oh, that's tiny. This is a good start. I always look for small headphone cases to fit in my pocket, and I'm gonna tell you with a resounding absolutely.
No,
It's a little strange because there's no real like ear tips. Oh wow, that feels like there's literally nothing in my ears. There is zero passive isolation. Like I can hear absolutely exactly the same. Immediately say lack of bass, right? Which makes sense considering that you don't actually have like a sealed sort of chamber. It's kind of wild that I'm listening to this volume at like, actually maybe even a little louder than I normally would, and I can have a completely normal conversation with everyone in the room right now. Even with transparency mode, I still feel like that's really difficult for me to do. Okay, so here's something else that's unique about these. You're not supposed to actually touch the earbuds. You're supposed to touch around your ears or something? I'm not entirely sure how that works. Oh, yo!
Does it work? Does it work?
Yo, that's wild! So I'm not actually touching the earbuds. I'm touching like my ear. On. Off.
Austin.
Yo, it works! Double tap. Paused. I like these headphones a lot. My only question here is the long-term comfortability after using them for a few hours. I think these might be my headphones.
So what you're saying is I'm buying a personal
yeah,
pair
what I'm
of
saying is you don't get to steal these. These are mine now.
Great.